This is the ultimate iPhone map hack, and this one could save your life. Tap on Maps, and then select an area you know you're going to be traveling to that may not have cell phone service, especially if you're hiking or camping. Once you find it, tap it once, and from here, right there, you can tap on Download. And now you're going to select the region, tap on Download, and this is going to download into your offline maps. To access this, you're simply going to tap right down here in the bottom right and offline maps, and right here is your map. And you can even tap there to rename it. And then when you don't have cell phone service, you can even put your phone in airplane mode, and then you're able to use this map. This is great to use when traveling because when you're going to new areas, you never know if you're going to have a cell phone signal. Hit that follow button and leave a comment below and let me know if you knew this iPhone map hack.